name is Amanda Bobbett, and my story started about 14 years ago with health issues. So, how many of you heard about this water because you have some health issue and someone's trying to help you?
Right.
Well, 14 years ago, I was literally clinically obese. I had mercury poisoning, adrenal fatigue, and then I went on to lose my female cycle for 8 years.
Mm.
So, I kept going to the doctors because I didn't feel well every day, and they kept giving me the same story. We really don't know how to help you, but try these pills. Um, okay, so the pills would have side effects, and then I would go to the next doctor and same thing. So I was the mystery patient in my area. No one could really help me out of the state that I was in. And so it was my grandfather that heard about the alkaline ionized water, which we now know that it's the hydrogen in there that creates the benefits. But he's a
Hmm.
scientific, skeptical man. He decided to make an investment with this $5,000 machine. And everyone in the family was like, oh my gosh, he did not just do this. He doesn't even believe in his health and he's buying this health thing. So, anyways, my family bought it. And I said, okay, well, I'm getting it too. And my family owns a garden center. It's 9 acres, 10,000 square feet inside. And I used to work
Man.
there. So when I was going through all these, I mean, I went from like 120 pounds to literally like in a month and a half, I was like 190 pounds in a very short amount of time. And
Mm.
then I was always on the roller coaster diet, you're up, you're down, you're cabbage soup, you're vegan, you're whatever. But I couldn't stabilize my weight. And so when I started drinking this water and our customers knew me, they're like, all right, what is going on? Your skin's glowing, you seem like you're losing weight, you seem like you're happy. Like, what is it? I said, I think this is water. And I had this blue jugs at the time. I was walking all around the garden, so there's blue jugs and drinking it. My family's drinking it. Customers were like, geez, this is so odd. Water? They really thought we were bananas. So there was enough customers that kept commenting that I just decided to bring my unit from the house and I put it in our back break room.
Mm.
Then a month and a half, I told a couple people. A couple people turned into 50 people in a month and a half. They started like standing in the line, 45-minute line with people there in the back break room, and I'm just filling up their jugs, listening to their stories, so happy and grateful. And
Yeah.
there came a time when my parents were like, "All right, Amanda, we've replaced you at the front counter with someone else. You're not there anymore. You're in the back talking about water."
Right.
I know, and I'm very passionate about helping people, and I got something really special, and I quit. I'm gonna go help people and do it one glass water at a time. So I started traveling the world, made it to CNN, NBC, Fox News, was interviewed with Jack Canfield, became an author. I just went and
Wow.
packed lives. Yeah, I became a business coach where I help people earn income because that was a leverage-based business. And so I got well
Mm.
known all over the world. And then about 2 years ago, I made a leap of faith because, as you know, it's not the alkaline, it's the hydrogen. And we kind of
Right.
got a different story in this different company. I just couldn't align with it anymore. And there were some things going on I just couldn't stand behind. And I did. I was the target for a little bit because, once you have a story going for so long with so many followers, boom, now you're out there saying something else. And now people are starting to realize because they're seeing you on YouTube, they're researching molecular hydrogen, they're seeing, wow, it is the hydrogen in the water. It's not the alkaline, it's not the so-called microclustering.
Right.
And so that's really where it began. And I'm just so grateful that I'm here getting interviewed and able to impact people's lives.
Yeah. So well, first of all, that's a fantastic story. And then obviously, the effects that this water had on your health was dramatic. And apparently, like a whole new person. And have that many people show up, you know, and want to fill up jugs. Something must have been happening with you with the water.